Hello, all you nature adventurers, storytellers, and imagination geniuses. Beckenham Place Park has got an exciting summer adventure waiting just for you. If you've never been before, now is the right time to visit. If you've been loads of times and it's your local green space, lucky you, as you are in for a treat. This will be a trip like no other, where nature jumps out at you, where you find 55 million year old fossils and the zigzag flash of a giant wizard's wand. This is where you'll see stories in everything that's around you. Beckenham Place Park has just developed a story map where you can follow your own trails, design your own trails, and if you're inspired, create your own story and share it with us. Now, I know that making up a story can seem quite hard. You don't know where to start or what to base your story on. Well, let's start with what a story can be. A story can be about anything and everything you see, touch, smell, taste, or hear. A story can be in any form: a book, a poem, a picture, a sculpture, a photograph. A story can be in any language, including signs and movement. When you visit the park, look for inspiration for your story and use your imagination. Ask yourself questions. Climb to the top of the mound, close your eyes and listen. What can you hear? Find the talking tree. What would it say? Find the muddy spring. Take a sniff. What does it smell like? Do any characters come to mind? What events could have happened here? Let your imagination run wild. Then, whilst in the park or when you get home, you can think about your favourite experiences and jot down words, phrases and sentences and then put them together to create your story. Or maybe there are things about your visit that you want to draw, take a photo of, or recreate at home. See, you don't even have to be able to write to make up a story. And if you do struggle to write your story down, just ask an adult or older sister or brother to help you. Don't forget to think about the beginning of your story and how you want to end it. And if your story takes the form of a picture, drawing, or a sculpture that you create at home, really have a good think about what you want the main focus of the image to be. To give you some inspiration, here's a quick little story. Pow! A zigzag flash! A spell conjured from the spring. A big insect lands. That was it. See, stories can be really long or really short, like that one. And that was actually a type of poem called a haiku. Now, it's your turn to get creating a story. Get a hold of your map. They're free to download online, or you can pick one up from Beckenham Place Park. And if you email us your story, you'll be in with a chance to win one of many prizes, like frisbees and hoodies from Beckenham Place Park, books from Lewisham Libraries, a Samsung tablet if you're a Phoenix resident, or your own story adventure party with a tea dance for little people storyteller. We can't wait to experience your stories. So, get visiting Beckenham Place Park and get creating your stories.